Absolutely delighted now to be joined by Katharine Sullivan from the Office of Justice Programs at the US Department of Justice. Katharine, welcome. First of all, thank you very much indeed for taking the time to talk to us today. We really appreciate that.
Thank you for having me.
So talk to us a little bit about the impact of suicide in law enforcement.
Suicide has become an increasing issue for our law enforcement officers based on the everyday stressors that they have, the fact that there can be some barriers to them actually asking and getting help. What's most amazing is that suicide is actually taking more lives of law enforcement officers today than duty deaths.
So a lot of agencies are taking steps towards embracing an agency-wide culture of mental health and wellness to assist in suicide prevention. So in what ways are the Department of Justice supporting these efforts?
Many ways. So first of all, we work closely with the Community Officer Policing Agency. The Bureau of Justice Assistance, which is under the Office of Justice Programs, and the COPS Office together are providing funding, coming together to come up with some collaborative responses to this issue. One of the greatest projects that we have through the Bureau of Justice Assistance is the National Consortium. The National Consortium is actually being run by IACP, and it's bringing together people from families, law enforcement, mental health professionals. There's all kinds of people represented. They're working very hard to come up with some solutions to this problem.
So how is the issue of law enforcement suicide being addressed this year at the IACP?
Oh, well, there's many opportunities through different panels throughout the week. The National Consortium that I just talked about started convening yesterday, and they really are having an incredibly robust conversation about creating toolkits and the report to let us know what are our best next steps. So that's very important. But also on the 29th, which is Tuesday at 10 a.m., there will be a panel that is going to focus on officer wellness. And we just highly encourage people to attend this particular panel because this is just such an important issue and something that the Department of Justice wants to help our local law enforcement combat.
Well, thank you ever so much indeed for joining us.
Thank
we really
you.
appreciate it.
Thank you.